Imagine a simple exercise right from your chair that can help you shed some of that stubborn belly fat. Sounds too good to be true, right? Many of us know the struggle of weight loss all too well. The grueling gym sessions, the restrictive diets, the endless hours of cardio, all in the pursuit of a slimmer waistline and a healthier lifestyle. And let's not forget the frustration when, despite all our efforts, the scale refuses to budge. Traditional methods can be exhausting, time-consuming, and sometimes even ineffective. But what if there was a simpler way? A practical, time-saving, and effective method that doesn't require a gym membership or fancy equipment? That's where chair exercises come in. These low-impact, high-reward movements can help you chip away at your weight loss goals right from the comfort of your own home. Ready to discover these easy chair exercises that can truly make a difference? Stick around. Did you know that you can turn your ordinary chair into a fitness tool? Yes, indeed. We're talking about chair exercises, a simple yet effective way to kickstart your fitness journey right from the comfort of your home. What's the magic behind them, you ask? Let's get into it. Chair exercises are all about convenience and accessibility. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. All you need is a sturdy chair and a bit of space. You can do these exercises while watching your favorite show during a work break or anytime you have a few spare minutes. And the best part? They're suitable for people at different fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner just starting out on your fitness journey or a seasoned fitness enthusiast looking for ways to spice up your routine, chair exercises have got you covered. They're not just about convenience, though. Chair exercises can target key muscle groups, especially the abdominal muscles. Yes, that means they can help you reduce that stubborn belly fat and get a slimmer body. And we're not just talking about aesthetics here. Strengthening your core muscles can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and increase your overall strength. So, are you ready to transform your ordinary chair into a magic fitness tool? Let's dive into these chair exercises and see how they can help you reduce belly fat. Starting off with our first set of chair exercises, let's dive right in. First up, we have the seated leg lifts. To do this, sit straight on your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg straight out in front of you and hold for 10 seconds before gently lowering it. Repeat this with your other leg. This exercise helps in toning your lower body and targets that stubborn belly fat. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race. Moving on to our second exercise, the chair squats. Stand in front of your chair with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your body towards the chair without actually sitting down, then push yourself back up to a standing position. This exercise is a great full-body workout, but be careful not to strain your knees. Third on our list is the chair running exercise. Sit on the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Then simulate a running motion by rapidly alternating your knee lifts. This exercise gives a good cardio boost and works on your core, helping you trim that waistline. Next, we have the seated Russian twists. Sit on the edge of your chair, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the floor. Twist your torso from side to side. This is a fantastic exercise for your obliques, helping you achieve that desired hourglass figure. But remember to keep your movements controlled and your back straight. Finally, we have the seated tummy twists. Sit up straight and rotate your body from the waist, reaching each hand to the opposite side of your chair. This exercise is perfect for toning your waist and eliminating love handles. Just make sure not to twist too fast or too far. And there you have it. 5 great chair exercises to help you on your journey to a slimmer, healthier you. Remember, consistency is key, so keep going and keep glowing. Halfway there. Ready for the next set of chair exercises? Let's continue with our next set of chair exercises. First up in our second set is the chair twist. This exercise targets your obliques, those muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Sit straight, feet flat on the floor, then twist your upper body to the right, reaching your left hand to the outside of your right knee. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Do this for 1 minute, and remember to breathe out as you twist and breathe in as you return to the center. Next, we have the chair knee lift. This exercise works your lower abs. Sit at the edge of your chair, lean back, and lift your knees towards your chest. Lower your feet without touching the floor, and repeat for a minute. Keep your movements slow and controlled for maximum effect. Our third exercise is the chair leg extension. This one targets your quads and lower abs. Sit straight, grip the sides of your chair, then extend one leg straight out and hold for a few seconds. Switch legs and repeat for a minute. Be mindful to keep your back straight and avoid leaning back. The fourth exercise is the chair jog. This full body exercise gets your heart rate up, helping to burn those calories. Sit straight, then start jogging in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Do this for 1 minute. Make sure your movements are brisk but controlled. Finally, we have the seated jacks. This is a seated version of the traditional jumping jack, which works your entire body. Sit at the edge of your chair, knees together, then open your legs wide while raising your arms. Close your legs and lower your arms. Repeat for a minute. Keep your movements quick and energetic, but always maintain control. Well done! You've just learned 10 chair exercises to help you lose weight. Ready for some more chair exercises? Let's get to it. Our first exercise is the chair plank. This exercise works the entire core, improving your stability and balance, and is a fantastic way to tone those abs. Start by placing your hands on the edge of the chair, stepping back into a plank position. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat this a few times and feel the burn. Next up, we have chair step-ups. This exercise is great for the lower body and is also a fantastic way to improve cardiovascular health. Start by standing in front of your chair. Step up onto the chair with one foot, pushing through your heel to lift your body up. Lower yourself back down and repeat with the other foot. Again, repeat this exercise a few times and remember to maintain a steady pace. Our final exercise is chair dips. This exercise targets the triceps and is a fantastic way to help tone those arms. Begin by sitting on the edge of your chair, hands next to your hips. Slide your bottom off the edge of the chair and lower your body towards the floor. Push your body back up to the starting position, using your arms to lift your body. Repeat this a few times and don't forget to keep those elbows tucked in. And there you have it. 3 additional exercises to add to your chair workout routine. Remember, every little bit counts towards your fitness goals. Don't forget to incorporate these exercises into your routine and keep up the good work. You're doing great. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today with these chair exercises. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to recap what we've learned and discuss how you can incorporate these exercises into your everyday routine. Chair exercises are a fantastic way to get moving, especially for those of us who spend a lot of time sitting at a desk. They're easy to do, require no special equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. More importantly, they target key areas like your core, arms, and legs, helping you tone muscles and lose weight over time. Now your next steps are simple. First, try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Start with a few repetitions of each exercise and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable. Consistency is key here. Second, listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or pain while doing these exercises, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Lastly, don't forget that diet plays a significant role in weight loss. Pair these exercises with a balanced diet for optimal results. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and you've already taken that step by watching this video. Keep at it, and you will see results over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these exercises. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thank you for watching.